Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this amazing looking paper jet which you can keep in showcase or just keep it wherever you want for show. See how nice it looks. It is fully made by paper and it is eco-friendly too. Let me show how to make. First you need a A4 sheet and now fold it into half. To make this jet aeroplane, you need two A4 sheets. Press it with your nail and unfold it again. And now cut it. Take one of the sheet and fold it into half again. Unfold it and cut in the center to this line. Now take one of the sheet and fold it into half again. But don't cut this time. Press it with your nails. You will get 4 rectangle pieces when you cut the sheet. And now make triangle on the upper part by folding to the line. Do the same thing to the down part properly. After you do, hold your finger and fold it into a bigger triangle. It might touch the down small triangle, but it's okay. And do it like that to the other side. And now you will get a kind of a fold like this. And now turn it. And you will get 2 triangles, one big and one is small. Take the smaller triangle and fold it like this. Now you'll get a big tall triangle. Now turn it backwards again and fold it to the center. You will get an half triangle like this. Like that, you might need 5 of them. Now take one of the triangle, take another triangle, and for one triangle, you should cut the extras. And now there will be a proper 2 holes here, as you can see. Now take one triangle and put it inside those 2 holes like this. And the pointy side will be to back side here. And now here you might see, here there is one hole and here there is one hole. Now take one more triangle and put it into the hole like this. You make sure that this also, the tip of the triangle is towards the back side. Now keep this piece aside and take the other 2 pieces. And for this, you need to take the piece and put it here like this. You will get one small and one is long. Now we should stick it so that it doesn't come. I am using Fevicol. You can use any glue which can stick papers. I am putting in these holes just one pinch. Now we'll do to the other piece also. And press it properly. Make sure you just put a one pinch so that it doesn't comes out, and when it dries you can't see the white part. Now press it properly. Now you will get two shapes like this. Now take this L shape and put it into this inside properly and carefully. Make sure the smaller one goes inside. You put it inside, press this front part like this so that it becomes a little bit fat. And now when you get to know that the smaller part is still here and you can't see it from this side, now you can put glue here also. In a thin line, press it. Everything properly. And after it dries, your aeroplane is ready. You can also put some stickers as how I have put on the yellow color aeroplane so that it is decorated. See how my 3 aeroplanes look. See how nice they are looking. See how nice it is looking. And you can also play with it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have done this at your home. Thanks for watching. If you want more art and craft, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like this video. And check out my other videos and also my magic trick video which I have done with my father. Thanks for watching.